Sparkles, my name is MimiGirl01, and welcome to my YouTube channel, aka this video you are watching right now, child. Anyways, today is another oh my goodness video where I basically open up fan mail, packages, things I buy from the store, so on and so forth. This is basically the stuff I buy show. And today I have a package from Wish. I did also have a letter from my aunt in Texas, but I kind of already opened that off the screen, and I already used everything. So, let's see what's in this little package. Hopefully it's not any more presents, because if it's another present, you guys already know I'm not going to be able to show it on camera. Okay, let's see how much of my strength I can use this time. Come on, strength, don't fail me now. You pulled me up this morning when I helped doing the headstand this morning. Okay. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh. Ah! This makes me so happy. Oh, I don't think it came with batteries. Oh well. I give a darn. Oh, I'm gonna have to get batteries for this though. Yeah, I'm gonna get. Oh wait, it came back with batteries? What? It came with batteries! Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness it came with batteries. Okay. Please work for me, dear. Please work for me, dear. All I'm asking is that you work. Let's first get your stuff back in your... Let's first get this back on you. There we go. Ah! Look! Watch. I think you have to go like this. It changes color. It's an elephant, guys. It's a little pushed in because it got squished probably in the mail. But it's okay. It's my little elephant. Yay! So cute. And it came with batteries. That makes me even more happy. Isn't it so cute? It's like not Turk. Kerchak. I might be wrong. Or the little elephant from Jungle Book. Isn't it adorable? It's so tiny